Alright, I'm going to create a folder. What should I name this one? I'll name it NFTs. I'll open this folder with my git bash. Let's navigate to hardhat.org. Copy this command. Need to increase the font size, then paste the command. npm install --save -dev hardhat to install hardhat. Let's wait for this to finish installing. Alright guys, the installation was successful. So now let's create a hardhat project. For that, quick start here. You need to run this command npx hardhat. Then I'll do that here. First of all, I need to clear my console. Now npx hardhat. Yeah, select the create a JavaScript project. Yeah, I need a git ignore. It will ask you to install some dependencies. Please do that. Alright, copy this command. Copy and paste it in my notepad and organize it. Make sure everything is on a straight line. Alright, copy, paste the command on your terminal. And hit enter. Let's wait for these packages to install. Alright guys, the installation was successful. I need to run npm audit fix. Alright guys, the audit fix command has completed, so I'm going to clear my console and open this directory with my Visual Studio Code. Alright, now that we've got Visual Studio running, let's make one final installment. This video we're going to be working with the OpenSea library. So I'm going to install the package npm I at OpenSea contracts. I'm sure this is the command. Alright, let's check this out. OpenSea is a standard for building secure blockchain applications. It provides security products to automate and operate decentralized applications. So access their contracts, just go to this product section, click contracts, then let's navigate to the contracts page. The documentation. Then ERC 721, since we're going to be making NFTs. Copy this code here. By the way, a library is different from interface. So open this contract folder, then create a new file. I'm going to name my own Lucid Heroes solidity.sol and paste the contract here. Alright, I need to make sure the package is installed. Okay, still installing. Let's work on configurations. So we won't be deploying this contract to testnet. So we need to set that up. Come back here to my Hardhat. Alright. Copy this default network, this networks, and the solidity object. Then paste them in your source code right here. So let's modify it. For this code, we need a provider, and I don't want to use Gorelli. Sorry, I don't want to use Alchemy. And here, we need a private key from our MetaMask. So let's bring those two. If you don't know how Infura works, all you need to do is create an account, then create a new key, then copy the key for any network you need. I need a key for Ethereum Network, and I don't want to use the mainnet. I want the one for the Gorelli. So click on the Gorelli, then copy the key, paste it here. is called RPC URL. Then we need a private key from our MetaMask. I'm going to export my private key. Then I'm going to paste it right here. I already have .env installed, so I'm going to require my .env. And now I'm going to remove this stuff, my RPC URL and my private key from this section. I'm going to put them in my .env file. So create a new file, .env. And in here, I'm going to put my private data, such as my private key, and my RPC URL. So I'll copy my URL, I'll paste it in here. Then I'll copy my private key. Then I'll paste it right here. Good. Now we're done with .env file for now. Change this to process.env.private key. And I'm going to change this to process.env.rpc URL. Alright, lucid heroes.sol.